When you turn your shark on, it makes an horrific hissing noise. Don't panic, it's going to be a free fix and it's something you can do yourself. The hissing is from an air release valve near the motor. It's to stop it from overheating. It means you've got a blockage somewhere. Common blockages are found in the floor tool, the pipe, in the hose or the handle mainly, or it could be the little cone filter inside your bin or the filters underneath it. If you're unsure how to look for a blockage, check out my other video on my channel. There's a link in the description and I'll talk you through everything in 4 minutes. When you've found your blockage, don't leave it at that. Most blockages are caused when there's a lack of power in the first place. It might be time to look at your filters. You're supposed to wash them every 3 months, so if you've not done that in ages, that's the first thing to do. Very quick video I know, but I hope it's been helpful, and please check out the other video because it does go into a bit more depth. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel where you can find loads of other vacuum help videos.